Hello everyone, welcome to new video. In this video, I am going to show you how to change password on Duolingo. Before watching this video, please subscribe the channel. Let's get started. First, open Duolingo app on your device. Now tap on girl icon bottom center. Here, tap on settings, top left corner. Now tap on profile. Here, now tap on password. Now type your old password here. Then type your new password and type your confirm password. After typing your old and new password, then tap on saved. That's it. Successfully change your password on Duolingo. I hope this video helped you. Please subscribe the channel. Thanks for watching this video.